Mount Tambora. It is one of the most destructive volcanoes. Its most disruptive eruption was on April 1815. This is a stratotype of volcano. This is located in 8 degrees south and 118 degrees east in Sumbawa Island, part of the Lesser Sundua Island. The nearest cities of the volcano are Pampu and Biwa. During the eruption, 114 of the people got killed and the rest died because of other events such as tsunamis, hurricanes, and long-term effect of land damage. About 71,000 people died. Mount Pelee. It is also one of the deadliest volcanoes around the world. Most disruptive eruption was on May 1902. It is also a stratotype of volcano, located in 48 degrees north and 61 degrees west in Mastivik. The nearest city that got washed away is St. Pierre, 6.4 kilometers away south from the summit. About 30,000 was killed caused by pyroclastic flows which escaped from the volcano within just minutes. Other event happened that time was large cloud containing rocks and ashes from its top. Mount Krakatoa. Its most disruptive eruption was on August 1883. This is a stratotype and ultrapleinian volcano. This is located in 60 degrees south and 105 degrees east in Indonesia. The nearest city was Island Sibesi, about 13 kilometers away from Mount Krakatoa. 3,000 people died because of the tsunami. Pyroclastic flows, volcanic ash, and tsunamis had disastrous results. It killed about 36,000 people. Piton de la Furnace. Most disruptive eruption was on April 2007, where it produced an estimated 3 million cubic meters per day. It is a shield volcano. The volcano is located within Reunion National Park. During this eruption, a caldera collapse occurred at the volcano. The collapse displacing 0.8 by 1.1 kilometer floor downward by 330 meters with a volume of 120 million cubic meters. The caldera collapse accompanied one of the largest eruptions of lava at the volcano in the past 100 years. Volcán de Colima. It is a composite volcano. The most disruptive eruption was on May 24, 2005. It is located in Jalisco or Colima, Mexico. During the eruption, an ash cloud rose to more than 3 kilometers over the volcano, and satellite monitoring indicated that the cloud spread over an area extending 110 nautical miles west of the volcano in the hours after the eruption. Pyroclastic flows traveled 4 to 5 kilometers from the vent, and lava bombs landed 3 to 4 kilometers away. Cerro Negro. It is a cinder cone volcano located in Cordillera de los Maribos mountain range in Nicaragua. about 10 kilometers from the village of Malpaisillo. The most disruptive eruption was on February 3, 1971. During the most disruptive eruption, there was a Strombolian explosion and lava fountains about 500 meters tall, producing ash columns reaching up to about 10 kilometers and causing ashfall to the west in up to 80 kilometers distance.